Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. Now today we have with us Dr. Narinder Singh. He is a very senior faculty in chemistry. Let us have an interaction with him. Sir, how many years have you been in IIT Ropar?
Actually, I am the first faculty in chemistry department, and this institute we have started in 2009. Basically, in 2008 at IIT Delhi, and then in this campus at Ropar in 2009. And I joined this institute in July 2009.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is your area of expertise?
Actually, as far as my research is concerned, basically we are working in three different areas. One is sensors, chemosensor and biosensors. Second area is environmental science and engineering. And third area is advanced material for several functional applications. And out of these, if I have to talk about the sensors, basically those sensors are for environmental analysis as well as for biomedical analysis, diagnostic types of things. And under environmental analysis, what we are doing the analysis of the industries. Most of the work under environmental is from the industrial application, where we are dealing with the analysis, technical audit of the industry, and then designing the CETP, designing ETP, and if some ETP are not working up to their mark, then we are doing some, and we are exploring some of the strategies with which they can give whatsoever is required in the water quality parameters. Third part is the advanced materials. Basically, in advanced materials, we are making some material for antimicrobial activity and other material for engineering applications. So those type of things we are doing.
Sir, so for all these, what are the facilities provided to the students?
Yeah, actually, in my research group, we have spectroscopic facilities. All the spectroscopic facility we have, water quality monitoring facilities we have. Under spectroscopy, we have absorption spectroscopy, emission spectroscopy, and time-resolved fluorescence spectroscopy, ion channel chromatography, gas chromatography. So all those facilities I have in my research group. Other facilities we have in the department research facility, and there is another CRF, Central Research Facility at the institute level. So whatsoever things are required, instruments are required. Out of that, almost 99% we have within the IIT campus.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how much research is being done for the industry?
Yeah, in my case, almost whatsoever grant or whatsoever projects I am getting, out of those, I should say almost 40% are from the industrial project, and other 60 are from 60% are from the government agencies.
Okay, sir. Sir, but the research which you yourself are doing,
Yeah.
how much is reaching to the industry commercially?
Whatsoever funding we are getting from the industry, 100% those projects we have completed with the industry, and all the time the industry has given us appreciation letters, and above that some of the projects are there in which we have transferred the technology to the industry, and they are in the process to commercialization, and several they have already commercialized the things in
Okay,
that
sir.
way.
Okay, sir. So, what are the like if students want to get admission here and do research in this field?
Yeah.
So, what are the prerequisites required by the student?
Actually, for research, there is a PhD degree program in the institute, and in chemistry department, we also have a PhD program. For those PhD program, generally there are two type of admission. One is institute sponsored candidate, another is externally sponsored candidate. Under externally sponsored candidate, the candidate who is having their own fellowship secured from CSIR, UGC, and other funding agency. That is one channel, and another channel is if the student is very good and he is also GATE or other national testing qualified, then he can also be enrolled in the PhD program. And in the initial of the PhD stage, they have to complete their coursework, and once they complete their coursework, after that they can do their research in the respective research groups.
Okay, sir. Sir, any word you want to like share with the students from your side?
Yeah, for students, so basically now India is among the growing economies, and India is doing fantastic research. When I was a PhD student at that time, we don't have such good infrastructure, but in IITs or even in many good universities, we have very good infrastructure, and student can take advantage of those infrastructure, and whatsoever government agencies, government funding agencies has put lot of money to these research institutes, and I think students should take advantage of all those things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your views. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.